Are you putting sprinkles on the cookies or in your tummy?
Are you going to help me sprinkle the cookies? Look, I'm putting frosting on these ones. Will you put sprinkles on the ones I have frosting on? Put sprinkles
Yeah.
on them. Yeah, put sprinkles on them. Oh, that's my knife. Help me? Here.
That's my knife.
Here you go. You got your knife. There you go. Good job. Can you smear it around? Smear it around. Like this. See? Like that. And then put sprinkles on. There you go. Oh, do you need to wash your hands? Allie, will you stop licking the cookies? Nobody's going to want to eat all these licked cookies.
Are those sprinkles good?
Do you want a tissue?
It's a my knife.
Okay, your knife.
Did you get your sprinkles from the thing so you could shake them?
Do you want me to show you how to shake the sprinkles? Should we shake them?
Yeah, I'll shake them.
Okay, let me, no.
Oh no, this can't end well.
Oh,
not those ones. Not those ones. These ones. Which ones do you want? Which ones? Tell me which color. These ones?
Yeah,
Okay. And you shake them. See?
and shake.
Can you shake them?
Yeah.
Shake them over the cookie. Oh, good job!
Good job, Allie.
Way to
Oh,
go,
she'll
baby.
save them. Is that yummy? Allie, is that yummy? Is it good? You got sprinkles up your nose.
And that's her.
You want it to